and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a balloon pop, but we're putting a little twist on it, and we're doing it blindfolded. So yes, we have like the simple ingredients for slime. I'm not sure what kind of slime we're making. So that's all I have to say because I don't really know. I just know we're doing a balloon pop blindfolded, so I'm real excited for this. Let's get started. Okay, so we're going to get started on our balloons now, and I'm going to try to figure them out while I take them out, and then we'll like cut them open and make some slime. So this feels really heavy, but it doesn't like sound like anything. This might be shaving cream, I'm gonna say, because it's not, it's like really heavy and it's not going around. That one, I think this one's an activator because it sounds liquidy. Where do I put this? Ooh, this one's real heavy. I'm gonna say this one's glue just because it's like really heavy. What is that? Sounds really weird. Glitter maybe, but this is like heavy. It's like maybe like foam beads or something. Oh, I don't know. That other one must have been something because this one, no. This one sounds like water because we already have paint, so water. So maybe jiggly slime. So that's everything in our bowl, and we're gonna start making slime now. So yeah, let's get started. So I'm trying to figure out this glue. Okay, so we got glue, and we're gonna start cutting open our balloons and doing the balloon pop. So here we are by the bowl. I've never done this before, but can't get it. Jeez, I don't. It's all over my arm. We're doing the weird heavy one. Let's try to go to the bottom this time. That was a fake. Oh my god! I don't. Oh jeez. Okay. Let's get another balloon. I paint or activator. Is it coming out? This did not happen to Dora. Oh, Dora, can you get me that? Oh my god. Why is this? Spots on my legs. Dora, let me see. I think it's on my arm. This is my birthday shirt. Where'd it go? Oh, this one's. Okay. Okay, I can feel something in there. Let's try to cut it now. My hand's stuck. What's that? Oh, I feel it. It's coming out. I think that was glitter. And is that everything? Oh, I feel a balloon. Where is it? Here it is. And finally, I activate it, I think. I'm really scared now. That did, oh my gosh. It's so cold. Oh jeez. I hope it doesn't get in the background. But we need to change it up anyways. So now we're gonna get a spoon to mix it up, and that was exciting. So I'm real excited. This is a good day. It's my birthday, and it's real exciting so far. And we're gonna start stirring this up. My actual party is gonna be in 2 weeks. That vlog will be uploaded if you guys want. But let's stir this up. I can feel it like on my skin. So I hope I didn't ruin my shirt because this is my birthday shirt, but that's fine because that was real exciting, and it splashed everywhere because I couldn't even see where I was like pointing, cutting. I tried to do it close to the bottom, but let's keep stirring. I think it's coming together. I can feel it. So guys, I'm wondering what color this is. When she had all the paints out, I asked her for neon purple. So hurry up before I take off my blindfold. Comment which color it is. And we'll see. But yes. I think it's ready to touch. Just kidding. It's really... Gotta keep stirring it.
Hi.
Hi. I'm just kidding. Mom. Are you recording?
Yes.
Is it ready? Can I start mixing with my hands?
If you want.
If you want to. These expensive. This doesn't feel jiggly. There's I can feel. It feels like sand. I think we put glitter or something. I feel neon purple. I'm just kidding. Guys, today I'm super excited because we adopted a kitten. She's so cute. Comment what you think the name should be, Bella or Ariel. I'm still deciding. She's gonna come home with us on Monday, and if you want, I'll introduce you. If I didn't say that yet.
Because she has to get surgery. She has to get
Before she
spayed and
comes home.
neutered. Yeah, because we bought her from the town. What was
Animal
it
shelter.
called?
Why?
But she's gonna be mine and Dora's cat. Well, it's mine and Dora's. But I'm excited. We're gonna start getting our things ready today. And tomorrow she can come home with us on Monday. Yeah, we didn't really plan on getting anything, but when my dad said we can get a kid, I was super excited. And she is so soft and cute. She's like gray and brown.
And orange. She's a torky.
And she's a little bit orange. Yeah, she's a torky. When can I take my blindfold off?
You can put that on the table now.
Mommy.
Can I take my blindfold off?
I guess.
Mommy, can I?
Oh
get on
my
the
gosh.
sofa?
It's everywhere. It looks like a
Yes.
door's like... Oh, jeez.
Yeah, it's right here.
Well, what color should we do for a new background, guys? It's got everywhere.
Where's the black?
It's
We're
everywhere.
gonna put this in your slime. Why?
No wonder I'm freezing. Adora has like a paint spider shirt from Justice when Joey picked up my outfit. I think we showed it. This is what it looks like in here. Doesn't it?
That's why. It's not freezing in here.
So how did your slime turn out?
It's good.
Here, I'll mix this.
When I see people do it, it doesn't... My balloons are filled with a lot of air, maybe because it's splashed everywhere. It got everywhere. Jeez. Is it on my face or anything?
I did yours balloons the same as the doors.
Then why did mine splash everywhere?
I don't know.
That was exciting. But... I got my slime rating pretty good, like maybe an 8, but I think it turned out really good for blindfolded, so let's do some ASMR. There's hard slime right here. What's this? There's a balloon. How come you didn't ask me to take this out? Is this a balloon? Guys, there's a balloon in my slime. Oh my god, that's funny. How come you didn't want me to take it out? Guys, comment if you seen that balloon in there. I don't remember dropping a balloon in there. I thought I put them all to the side. That's weird. Guys, so comment. I think we might get a new background. It got all over it, and we can't really wash it. Because I like how the shininess is, so it might go away or something. So, if you have any suggestions, we do have another, another cloth. We ordered however many yards, but there's enough to do another whole new background with pink still. But if you want to change it up to like a Halloween background, like orange or something, then comment and let me know, and we're going to get a new background soon. This is messy. I'm not sure how we're going to clean this up. So, but anyways, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. My kitten's name that you think it'd be. But bye, guys.